Hi guys, Dave's here. Well, I've got a piece of pine in my CNC router that I've done stain, and I have added a texture look to it and everything. I stained it with the Kona stain by Rusty Lime. I've let it dry and sprayed a coat of clear over it. It's 19 inches long, it's 5.5 inches wide. We're going to make like a little anniversary sign here, so stay tuned and I'll show you how I did it. Okay guys, I designed the project in Vectric Expire. And the first thing you do is job setup. So I did, it's 19 inches long, it's 5.5 inches wide, it's 3/4 inch thick. I'm going from the top and I'm going from the lower left hand corner. It's in inches. So let's click OK. Okay guys, the first thing I did was make me a couple text boxes a little bit shoved down the length, and I think it's about 3 inches down. And then I made one here smaller to put the name of the family in. And then I added some text to it. The first one, I used the draw text within a vector box. And I used the Georgia font for it. And then for the Reed family, I used a single line font, I used the draw within a vector box again, but this time I used a single line font and used Future West. And then for the established date, I used another single line font. This time I used a script font. Okay, I added a couple lines on each side of the Reed family, and this is going to be where we do our fluting at. Now we've got this in here, let's go over to the toolpath side and add some toolpaths to it. The first one I'm going to do is the XCarve toolpath, and starting at 0, I'm using the 90-degree V-bit, and we click calculate and then preview. Next toolpath that I want to do is the fluting toolpath. And I just highlight these two lines right here, and we're going to go to a depth of 90 thousandths, same 90-degree V-bit, ramp over complete length, and a smooth ramp. Click calculate, then we click preview, and you see how it looks there. And for the final toolpath, we're going to do a profile toolpath, and we're going to do a cut depth just 30 thousandths on it. Using the same 90-degree V-bit, we're going to machine on the vectors because this is a single line font, and we'll click calculate. We'll do a preview of it. Now let's save the toolpaths and let's do some carving. Okay, here it is carved, and I flipped it on the back side. I made some keyhole slots in it, 2 of them. So now let's spray some matte clear on it.